Hey guys, my name is Dakshi Gupta and welcome back to my channel Code with Dakshi. So guys, in this video I want to tell you that how to make different shapes of circle with the help of turtle. Okay, so guys, if you know that about a little bit of turtle, so first of all our main step is import turtle. Okay, so for every shape if you want to make, okay, so you have to first import it, then t equals to turtle dot turtle. First t should be small and second t should be capital. Okay, r equals to 50 and t dot circle of r. Okay, so why we are using this? If I am just increasing 200, okay, see I am getting the biggest circle, so it means that r equals to 100 means that if we increase the size, the circle will increase. You can see. Okay, if I am just using only 10 here, I am getting small circle. I am using 50, this is the average. Okay, so we are using here 50. If I am just commenting all these lines and I just want to make a different circle, right, then I have to uncomment these things like import turtle, t equals to turtle dot turtle. What is my r? R is my radius. Okay, so in this part, import turtle, t equals to turtle dot turtle, r equals to 10. Okay, and we are using here for I in range of 100. So we are just giving the number here 100 and r plus 1, r plus I, okay, and 45. So why we are doing this? Let me remove these all because I just want to make this on top. Okay, if I run this, just see what I am getting here. I am getting a beautiful diagram in this, a beautiful shape I am getting, right? If I am just taking 20 here, let's see, now I am getting such a big, okay, and if I am just increasing to 200, I just want to clear your doubts, guys, that why we are using 100, why we are using 200. Okay, so if I just write here like 10, see, you can see now the gap in this, right? If I am just using here like 2, this is doing so slowly, right? Okay, so it means that it is going to the round for only I think 2 seconds, or you can say 2 rounds only. If I just increase this to like 5, 1, 2, right? So you are watching, guys, that what is this, right? I think your doubt now is clear. So why we are using like r plus I, but why we are using your 5. Okay, so it means that the speed depends on the number you are giving here. So I'm just giving again 45. I think 45 is good. Again I'm taking here like 300. Yeah, so just see that the speed is now going so fast. If I'm just increasing to 500, see. Okay, so it is depends on like which number you are giving. Okay, so I think this is clear now. So my second diagram, my second shape is saying that import turtle, t equals to turtle dot turtle, turtle dot background color black. So why I am using in Jupyter Notebook, why I am not using in Trinket? Because guys, in Trinket my background color code will not work. Okay, it is giving me error. So for that purpose I have to use Jupyter Notebook for that one, right? So in this we are using some colors. So t dot color, I'm just giving the number this and the number this. Okay, so I wrote every definition like why we are using this color and what is the name of this color. So if I talk about this color, it is blue. Okay, so what is this color? I write everything inside this. In this, guys, we want to make Google. Okay, so in last video, okay, I told you that the Google logo. Okay, but in this video, guys, I just want to tell you that how to make the Google. right? So def Google, because we want to make a Google shape, Google logo. So t dot forward of 120. So guys, what is forward means? Forward means that how like if I'm just giving some lines in this, if I just after this like t dot forward, t dot right. So guys, I wanted to tell you that why we are using forward and right. Okay, so in this I just use forward. Okay, I'm just giving like 100 in this. If I just give here 200, so just see the line is increased. Okay, so forward means that how much the line is increased. Okay, like if I am using like 300 and I am just writing here right. Okay, so see my line is going forward. Okay, it means that if you increase the number, okay, so your line will increase. Okay, so that's why we are using here forward of 120. T dot right 90. So whatever you are writing under the right left, okay, that will be the angle. Okay, angle number, right? So after this we want to make a circle first. Okay, so t dot circle minus 150 or 50. So in this, according to the size, you have to give the number, the color. Okay, then again t dot circle, t dot color, t dot circle, t dot color. Okay, so for this guys, we have to just write according to the logo. Then we have to begin fill. Okay, if we begin fill, so we have to end fill also, right? So after the begin fill, we just write here t dot circle of minus 150 or 100. Okay, then right we are giving 90, forward we are giving 50 according to the logo. Then t dot right, t dot circle, t dot right, t dot forward, and t dot end fill, because we have to end it also. Then we are just doing again the begin fill, because again we have to insert the colors inside the logo. So for that purpose, okay, so t dot color, in this we are using two colors, because you can if you watch the video guys, okay, in that video I told you that for each logo there will be the wonderful colors. Okay, so for that purpose, t dot right 180, t dot forward 50, then right, then circle, then right, forward, right. Okay, so these are the things, like according to the logo you have to increase the size. Okay, like this, these steps are same guys. Okay, t dot right like circle, then color, and begin fill, circle, then left, forward, right, forward. So guys, if I just want to tell you that for a circle, for a square only, okay, for square, so there will be four things. Okay, like if you are writing like t dot forward, t dot right, okay, so you have to write that for 4 times, because square having 4 sides. Okay, so for that purpose you have to write the code for 4 times. Okay, if you want to make a pentagon, so you have to write the code for 5 times. So in this part guys, we are just making the Google logo. Okay, so we have to increase, like we have to write t dot like t dot forward, t dot right, t dot circle for many times, because we want like the shape, the accuracy of the shape you want. Okay, so for that purpose we have to write everything according to the shape. Then Google, because we are using a Google logo. Then t dot height turtle, turtle dot done, because after the diagram, after the logo finished, okay, I just want that done. I don't want that like it is continuously going. Okay, I will stop it. So that's why I'm using a turtle dot done. If I run this, okay, see this beautiful logo, this Google logo I am getting, right? You can see guys, in this part these are my circle, this is my half circle. So for this part guys, we just have to draw this very nicely. Okay, so for this one we have to use the correct numbers. Okay, the correct things, like we can see that how many times the circle right, forward, end fill, begin fill is coming. Okay, so in this part guys, we used right, left, both. Okay, four things are important if you are making a shape. One thing is forward, right, left. Okay, and if you are like filling the colors, okay, so begin fill and fill. Okay, so these are the main steps guys when you are making the diagram, when you are making a shape. Okay, so I think now you are getting that how to make a Google logo, how to make the shape of a circle. Okay, so I think this video will help you guys. Okay, I will share the Google logo code, okay, in description also, so you can check from that. So this is the end of my video guys. I hope you like it. So please guys, subscribe my channel, like my video, and press the bell icon guys. So thank you so much for 2.4k in my last video. Okay, so